Hello students, today we are going to proceed our chapter known as coordinate geometry. In last lecture we have studied about the basic fundamentals such as what is the coordinate of any point, what is a Cartesian system, etc. etc. Okay. In this lecture we will cover the distance formula and some basic numericals which are based upon the distance formula. Okay. First of all, we will discuss about the distance between 2 points. Okay. Suppose 2 points are given. First point is A and second point is B. The coordinates of these 2 points are x1, y1 and x2 and y2. 2 points A and B are given whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2 are given respectively. Okay, we have to find the distance between these 2 points. It means if we join point A and B, okay, the distance between these 2 points is D. Clear? The D is the distance between these 2 points A and B. So the formula of D is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 to the whole square plus y1 minus y2 to the whole square. Okay. We can write it as also under root of x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. Because we know that a minus b to the whole square is equal to b minus a to the whole square. Since there is a square of a and b, there is a whole square of a minus b to the a minus b. Okay, means we know that suppose for example if 2 minus 3 to the whole square and 2 minus 3 is minus 1 to the whole square, this is equal to 1, and if we write 3 minus 2 to the whole square, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 square is also 1. In this way we can write, we are free to write a minus b or b minus a since they have square. Means square makes negative to positive. Clear? So D is the distance between 2 points A and B. The formula is under root of x1 minus x2 to the whole square plus y1 minus y2 to the whole square, or we can write as x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. Now, the derivation of this formula. The derivation of this formula is derived as if we draw, we know that this one is x-axis, this is the origin, and y-axis. Okay, students, clear? If we fit point A, whose coordinates are x1, y1 on xy plane. Suppose point A is here. Point A is here, x1 and y. Okay, and we know that x1 is the perpendicular distance of point A from y-axis. Okay, and y1 is the perpendicular distance of point A from x-axis. So draw the perpendicular from point A to x-axis, and this one becomes y1. Okay, and if we draw a perpendicular from point A to the y-axis, suppose Okay, AM, and we know that AM is equal to, suppose this one is AN. AN is perpendicular on x-axis and the measurement of AN is y1 according to coordinate geometry, according to the coordinates. And if we draw a perpendicular from A to y axis, this becomes x1. Clear? And we know that this one is the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ANOM is a rectangle or a square. Then their opposite sides are congruent. Their opposite sides are equal. So AM is equal to AON. So this becomes x1. This becomes x1. So ON is x1. Clear? And the second point is B, whose coordinates are x2 and y2. Similarly, if we draw a perpendicular from B to x-axis, suppose BK. Okay, so the measurement of BK is y2. Clear? And OK is x2. Okay, this OK means the measurement of OK is x2. Clear? Now we have to find the distance between points A and B. So we have to join these 2 points. So join AB. The measurement of AB is D, which we have to find. Join A and D. Clear? Now, draw a perpendicular from A to BK. We have to find a right angle triangle. There is no any triangle. So for this, draw a perpendicular from point A to BK. Draw a perpendicular line from point A to BK. Suppose this is BC. This one is BC. Clear? So we have a right angle triangle, that is ABC. We have a right angle triangle ABC. Now we have AC. The measurement of AC is A to C means in right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, measurement of angle ACB is equal to 90 degree by construction. The result is by construction. Okay. So AC is the base of triangle ABC. So AC is equal to the length of AC is equal to OK minus ON. The length of segment OK minus the length of segment ON. So AC is equal to OK minus ON. Clear? In triangle ABC, we have to find all sides of triangle ABC. Since AB, the length of side AB is D, which we have to find. And next, we have to find these 2 sides AC and BC. So first, AC is equal to OK minus ON. OK is x2. OK is x2 and ON is x1. So AC is equal to x2 minus x1. Clear? Now we have to find the height of triangle ABC, which is BC. So BC is equal to BK minus CK. Okay? BC is equal to BK minus CK, and the measurement of BK is Y2, and since CK is equal to equal to AN. Clear? Okay. CK is equal to CN. Since AC is perpendicular on BC and BK is parallel to AN. Okay. So AN, the measurement of AN is equal to measurement of CK. Clear? So Y2 minus AN is equal to Y1. AN is equal to Y1. So BC is equal to Y2 minus Y1. Students, clear? Any problem? Y2 minus Y1. Okay. So in triangle ABC, since triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, so applying Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem. We have the square made on hypotenuse. The AB is the hypotenuse. The square on hypotenuse, that is AB square. AB square is equal to BC square plus BC square plus AC square. Okay, and BC means Y2 minus Y1. Y2 minus Y1 to the whole square plus AC means X2 minus X1 to the whole square. And since measurement of AB as D, okay, D assumed D, so this one is D square. So in this way D is equal to plus minus under root of we can write X as a first and Y as a second. This term as a first means X2 minus X1 to the whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 to the whole square. But we know that distance is always positive. Okay, so D is equal to under root of X2 minus X1 to the whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 to the whole square. Clear? Okay, or you can write as D is equal to under root of X1 minus X2 to the whole square plus Y1 minus Y2 to the whole square. So this one is our distance formula. Okay, students, please write down. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Clear? Please make a note.